Hello everyone! Welcome back to Lina's Pretend Play.
In this video,
We will talk about
probability.
probability. Yeah. So what is actually probability, Lina?
There's a chance that you could get something or not.
So 100%?
Or 0%.
0%? Impossible?
That's impossible.
So definition about the probability. You want to read
What
it?
is probability?
Yeah. So
Probability is our way to describe how likely something is to happen.
So it's a chance, right?
It's a chance that you could fall.
Yeah, chances, yeah?
It's like a game of chance.
So chances are somebody gonna win or lose.
Yep, win or lose.
We don't know when.
What if the bad team lost? The bad team won. That would be cool.
Yeah, like last time we watched Argentina and France. So in the beginning we don't know who's gonna win.
Yeah,
right?
But who won?
Argentina won. It was very tough game.
Oh my god, that was a long time ago. That was 1 year ago.
In the game, most of the people use that probability method. Okay, let's go to the next slide. So there is a formula of probability. So what is the formula, Lina? Probability is equal to total number of possible outcomes divided by number of ways an event can happen.
So I'm just gonna right over here.
Yeah, you wanna show some illustration? Or we're gonna
bottom?
talk more in the next
we're
slide.
gonna do on the next slide.
Yeah, there will be more example of the probability, how it actually works. So let's see.
Certain event.
Yeah, so in certain events, something is definitely gonna happen. So let's see, in that box, we have what?
3 red marbles.
Yeah, so what is the possibility gonna happen if I choose the red marble? What will be happen?
It will be the red.
Yeah, so 100%, right?
Very 100%.
Yeah, so it's going to happen. So if you pick red, it's gonna be red, right? If another color, then gonna be another.
Like red and blue. Or red and blue.
So let's read the example. What is that? If you have a box containing only 3 red marbles and you pick 1 marble from the box, what is the probability of picking a red marble?
Red.
Let's see the next slide.
I already said the answer. It's 100% of picking red.
Yeah, it's 100%. So what that question was, what is the probability of picking a red marble?
It's 100%.
It is certain that you will pick a red marble.
Yeah,
right? It is a certain. Certain means 100%.
Possibility.
Yeah, no doubt that you're gonna pick another marble, right? There are no other possibilities, so the probability of picking a red marble is 100%. Good. Do you understand that, Lina? Good. Let's go to the next slide.
Impossible event.
So in probability, we talk about the certain events and some impossible events. So what are the impossible events? Can you read it, Lina?
An impossible event is something that
cannot happen at all. In certain possibility, what we learn, it's gonna happen 100%. Right?
Now this is gonna be
Let's see. So example, if you have a box containing only 3 red marbles and you pick 1 marble from the box, what is the probability of picking a blue marble? Let's go to the next slide. So the question was, what is the probability of picking a blue marble?
There are no blue marbles in the box.
So the probability of picking a blue marble is 0%.
0.
Because there is no blue marble. So we talk about the certain event and impossible event.
Yep.
Good to know that. So examples. Imagine you have a jar with 3 red marbles and 2 blue marbles. If you pick one marble, what is the probability of picking a red marble?
So probability.
Red marbles. Let's go to the next slide. We're gonna show it.
Look, it has 3 red marbles and 2.
Yeah. So what will be the answer? The number of ways to pick a red marble even is 3, since there are 3 red marbles. The total number of possible outcomes, all marbles, is 5, which is 3 red and 2 blue.
Yep.
So the probability of picking a red marble is 3 by 5.
Yep.
So let's see in a chart. Probability pie chart. How can we solve that problem in a pie chart? Continue.
Wait, I'm just gonna make the lines because like this. Look. So there's 3 red marbles, right? I'm gonna make 3 red marbles. Oh, wait, I did it.
And then 2
this.
blue marbles. Yeah, continue, Lina. So, can you please read it, since I'm only the one who reading?
So you'll read it.
Okay, go ahead. Yeah.
Red marbles
represented
by the red section. There are 3 red marbles out of all 5. No, all out of total of 5. So the probability of drawing a red marble is 3 out of 5.
And blue marbles.
So 3 or 5.
Represented by the blue section. There are 2 blue marbles out of a total of 5. So the probability of drawing a blue marble is 2 by 5. Yeah, you can cut it. She already showed the pictures.
Yeah.
So, but you can still do it. The 3.
With this, I'm just gonna pretend to draw it. So 1, 2, 3. Oops. So 1, 2, 3. Yeah. Then 1 right here. 1, 2.
Let's do next slide.
Yep.
So experiment. Let's do some experiments
now
to understand.
Oh, no, never mind.
Continue, Lina. More pictures. More.
Oh.
Okay. So what result do you predict if you pick a ball 10 times without looking? Pick a ball 10 times.
So I have to draw this. So it's too small. Whatever.
Yeah. So blue and
red.
You can put the red and red and blue in blue.
Sure. But no.
But that's fine. It's gonna be.
Yeah. And then, Mom, what's your name again?
It's okay, Messi. Yeah. So
you're gonna put the lines, and you're also gonna take off these while I go closer to you guys, like right over here. And then I have some beads here. We didn't have marbles, so just beads. 4 beads. I mean 3. There's 5 beads in total.
Yeah.
What?
So red, how many times you get?
So there's 3 reds and there's 2 blues, like it said.
So okay, go ahead.
So I'm gonna
10 times, right?
Yeah, 10 times.
So
no, that doesn't count. That one doesn't count.
Oh, okay, that's fine. So how many you got? Which one you got?
Wait, I looked at that one.
Yeah.
Key blue.
Blue. 1. Okay.
Red.
Sorry, blue. Just a second.
You have to pick up the marble first. They give you instruct. Pick a marble one you cross this came here one line. Take another second time to cross, put another line.
Okay. So experiment कर देना.
Huh?
Experiment section कर देंगे.
Yes.
Okay. Huh? Yes. Okay.
Let's start.
Yeah. Okay. Let's sit down here. Yeah.
Let's start like
Okay, so now we are going
Let's
to do
do the experiment.
Yes.
So Lina, you're gonna show the camera and pick the marbles, and I'm gonna cross it here. Okay? So can you go close to the camera, please?
Yeah, and by the way, we didn't have marbles. We have beads. It's the same thing.
So red. It's okay. I'm writing in and blue.
Yeah.
Okay.
Writing big.
There you go.
Okay.
So ready?
Yes.
We're gonna do the 10 times, right?
Yeah. This is 10 times. That one.
Okay. Hurry.
I can slip it.
So which one you got?
Red.
So red. Okay. Next. You don't have to do so faster.
Red.
Red again. Next.
Red.
Red again. Okay, next.
Red.
Red. Oh my goodness.
There's
Next.
some chance that you could.
Which one?
Blue.
Blue, finally. Ooh.
And make sure to do a cross on
No
that.
problem. This is the 6th time.
Red.
Red again. Whoa.
No, put a cross.
That's fine. So 7th time, what you get?
Red.
Oh no. So 8th time, what you get?
Red.
Red again. Oh my goodness. So 9th times.
Blue.
Blue. Finally blue.
Blue.
Blue. Okay, 10 times done. So we got here 7 times red and 3 times
blue.
blue. Woo! What a fun experiment. So probability of getting red is 7 times if you do the 10 times, right? And the blue one get 3 times. And if you do the next time, it will be different. It's not gonna be same. Okay, you can do that at home. Have a fun experiment. Okay. Next.
Okay.
Yeah, so that's all. Thank you so much for watching.
And I have 3 surprises to show you.
Okay.
So, I have this crystal
Yeah. Where did you get that crystal from?
from Drumheller, and it's real.
Yeah.
And
Next, you
I got Hatchimals, which I never had before.
Yeah.
This is my first time, and they're pretty cute.
Okay. That's nice. Okay. All right. See you guys. Next
Bye.
video. Bye. Have a good day.